All right, so this is the rooms at the Amar Hotel in Patong, Thailand. As you can see, that's the bathroom. Definitely reasonable size. The room itself is a sizable room. As we walk in here, see the bed, reasonable sized bed, couple of pillows. You've got the mirror, TV, luggage storage or seating area. And we have a look outside. A balcony. It's pretty handy to chill out with. Wouldn't say it's the best view, but it's a little bit of space if you do want to chill out. So thoughts on the room? Pretty happy with it so far. For 700 baht per night for central Patong, Phuket, with a big pool, pretty nice facilities, central location. For 700 baht, can't really go wrong, I don't think. So the Amar Resort, so far it's getting the thumbs up. I'll have to do a little bit of a tour later, but yeah, it's definitely looking good.